Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna teach you how you can stop Steam from running every time you open your PC. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So for the first step, go and click the search window in your home screen. After that, go search Task Manager. And then open your Task Manager. After you've opened your Task Manager, you can now go to Startup Apps. So here in the Startup Apps contains all the programs that will run automatically after you turn on your PC. So the reason why your Steam keeps opening every time you start up your PC is because it is enabled in the Startup Apps. So to stop Steam from opening from startup, it's simple. All you need to do is to disable this. And after that, congratulations, it's done. Your Steam won't start up automatically anymore unless you enabled it again. And so that's just how to stop your Steam from automatically opening in your startup. It's easy, right? Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make tutorial about. So that's all guys, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, goodbye.